How to free up storage in your Windows device. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can free up storage on your Windows. Now by storage, I mean disk space, so let's get started. First of all, head over to your search bar and then search for storage. After you search for storage, you will see storage settings. Open that up. After you open that up, you will see how much storage you have and how much you have used. Now let it load. It will take some time to load and calculate all of the storage occupations. Now if you scroll down here, you will see storage management. Now under storage management, you will see cleanup recommendations, advanced storage settings, and so much more. Now after you check everything out, you can scroll down and go to cleanup recommendations. Now under cleanup recommendations, you will see the files or folders that your device thinks that you don't need. So you can simply tap on it and you can simply clean it up. And as you can see right here, cleaning just these two will free up to 52.1 GB on my device. So yeah, that is basically how you do it. Simply tap on clean up and you're good to go. And that is how you clean up your disk storage space in your Windows. Thanks for watching guys. That is all for this video. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.